What's going on, everybody? Blood Dragon Rider here. It is Saturday, September the 1st. I am just heading out because there's an event that just happening at JNS in Doncaster. So since that it's not far, I thought, you know what, let's find out what's going on at JNS, because I was very interested in this event. It started at 11 o'clock. Also I did some few editing because there's some videos I need to edit. So yeah, I think I woke up about 11:45, I think it was 11:45, can't remember. And got myself ready to head out. So yeah, come with me. Let's find out about this event that is happening at JNS. Well, I'm actually here, and also there's a band playing. This is really awesome. Got some cool. Got Bike Tracker here. Some other companies here. Don't forget to Kawasaki's. Nice.
Our guest for today is Jamie Perry, the super sport rider. So Jamie, let's go. Okay, 538 green. Yep. 617 green. 459 green. Oh, we've got a winner.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Leave the snap-on tools alone.
Take your picture. Yeah, it's a winner. 673 green. 673 green. 936 green. 722 green. 592 green.
Go on, squeeze through, yeah.
Right then, okay, so we're going to do the other colours now, the yellow tickets. This is the yellow raffle tickets. Now this one is for the Marquez helmet, and that's signed by him last weekend. He didn't know what else to do, did he really? So he signed that last weekend. This is for that. We've also got, for courtesy from CBT and DAS, a full training course there worth £700. So we've got the helmet, which I think normal retails without a signature is £500, and we've also got the CBT and DAS, a company donated a £700 DAS course, which I think is amazing. And also we've got a Drift Camera X up there as well on offer. So there's only 3 more prizes left, so we're going to have to shake that bag and dig deep. Once again, thank you very much for donating to this. All this will go to Yorkshire Air Ambulance. Thank you very much for coming. The band's going to play again, do another hour session shortly. So let's draw these next prizes. So this one will be, how are we going to do this? We'll pick the prize.
Yeah, we'll pick the prize. We'll run the prize. So start with the Drift Ghost camera.
Yeah, so this one's going to be the Drift Ghost X camera. Drift Ghost X camera is yellow 38. That's 38, yellow 38. Right, the next one we're going to do is CBT DAS course. Now I appreciate you passed your test. I'm sure you could speak to somebody and offer it to them as a gift yourself, as it is all donatable. So this is for the CBT DAS course worth £700. This is yellow 292. There's yellow 292. Have we got yellow 292? And we've got yellow 292.
Yeah, I think it's someone's brought a ticket.
So we should keep that then, yeah? Right, so it's yellow 292. Ring in now. Alright, so this one is for the Marquez, signed Marquez. This is donated by Ferriax, who we purchased these helmets off. We finally had a chat with you and they come up with these goods, which I think is a fantastic prize. Which the size or not doesn't matter. Lovely bit around the really. Signed last weekend. So this is yellow 168. It's yellow 168. Anybody there? Yellow 168. Anybody yellow 168? This is for the Marquez helmet. Yellow 168. Right, we'll have to save that ring. Ring in. Okay. Thank you very, very much for coming down. The band's going to kick off again soon. Yeah, go outside and enjoy, see the surprise that come out to us, have a chat with them. We've got Charles, shall we? Thanks all them for coming as well. Thank you very much.
Right, I'm heading to town and see who's in town. And also I bump into my martial art teacher. See you later. See you later. I'm actually really glad I see my martial art teacher. Had a good chat. It's actually really good I saw my martial art teacher. Oh gosh, and so awesome. The best thing I like about my martial art teacher, when you go and train, he will just tell you the story how the martial arts actually began, how it actually begin, when it came from, originally from. It just tells you the story. Yeah, I didn't do too much recording because it's not much there. Only a couple of things there. Really cool. Obviously seeing different bikes, but it's been a long time for me since I came out on my bike. And I bump into some few people there that I know. It's actually very interesting. So anyway guys, I'm going to wrap it up. I hope you find this video was entertaining. If it's not, I do apologise. Since it was an event, I thought, you know what, let's check it out and find out. So anyway, my name is Black Dragon Rider. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come